So hi and welcome back. So in the part before, we created this third furniture here, and we are going to the next one. So I will open again the layer manager and create a new layer. Call it furniture 4. You can call it however you want. Furniture 4. And I will put here the plane which we created before, because we can use it on the next object. We don't have to create a new one, and I will hide this one here. Okay, can turn off show center frame, and just let's put here the next reference. So let's go here. Let's start with this. Maybe we'll finish both in this part. So again, here's code the dimensions of that, and let's go to the ratio. Alright, just to be sure when we do something, it will be nice. Can delete this. 800 557. Okay, so I will create here a box according to this. First of all, just like this, I will press F4 to see the edges, and let's edit this. 32 is the deep, 142 is the length, and the height should be 184. Okay, like this it should be big, and you can convert this to poly and start to model. First of all, I will pull this a little bit up, like this. Or better, we'll copy this just to have a second reference in that, and I will create first this bottom here. So let's go to left view, maybe, and we'll pull this up. And I think this should be enough. Okay, let's go to perspective, and now I will extrude this a little bit, like this. Now I will insert that. Oh, probably this is too much, so oops. So probably do a smaller value and do it like this. And from the left view, I will drag this a little bit back. So extrude it back, not absolutely down how it should be, but almost. So I'll just drag it here, and we can delete this. Oh, okay, I forgot something, sorry for that. I want to extrude more of the things. Okay, before I will do I'll do an inset of these polys here. And I will make it like this. Now let's use a little bit the cut tool. Okay, a little bit more. Sorry. Okay, I just want to match this and this a little bit more. Okay, like this. So let's use the cut tool and do a clean cut from there to there. And a little bit later we'll also delete the edges which we don't need, because we really don't need everything what is there. Like, we're creating triangles, but don't worry, we'll get rid of them. But first of all, oops, I really want to extrude this together with this. Okay. Let's delete this now. Do it like this. And the same on the other side. So just select and backspace. Okay, we have this and this, and this one. So extrude. left view, and first of all we'll drag this down like this, and I will deselect the one at the bottom, left Z to zoom and drag it down. So I'm trying to keep the original reference which I had, so the dimensions. Create the object like it should be. Okay, a few more cuttings here. First of all, we don't need this one and this one and the same on the other side, and we'll join also the object sorry, by using connect. Now this we actually don't have to do, but why not? Okay, I will try to move down. Oops, I selected too much, so just select these edges here and the same on the other side. I think I just want to finish this very quickly. Let's keep it like it is, and we'll move it manually. So let's select the first edge and move it like this, and the same with this one. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. Now these kind of objects are very easy, but you should think before you do something. Like I was at the beginning, I wanted to extrude, and I told okay, first insert and then again extrude and again. So just keep attention to what you do and it will be fine. Oops. Okay, so if you look to the reference picture, we don't need the inside of this, so let's undo the cut. So oops, again. Let's select tool and delete. Now using bridge, we'll simply connect and create a shape, the overall shape of the bookshelf or whatever it is, big shelf. And we have the initial part ready. Now the last thing which we need is to do some chamfering here, actually a lot of them. So I will firstly do it like this, select the top and the bottom, we want also these ones, loop it also inside, want this and this. Now we want the bottom, actually all of these. So we want to do a chamfer a lot of edges. Okay, I can select it like that, I think. Yeah. And anyway, we should keep attention to what we chamfer, maybe to reduce the triangles there, all the stuff. But let's say by this modeling, what I do here, I'm not keeping much attention to that, because I should do not all chamfering at once, maybe separately and so on. But I'm not doing it here because I don't think it has sense. So, okay, we have this. I'll change the color of that. And now let's do the shelves here. I'll select one of my polys here. Hold on Control, pull it out or up. Select that. Border, hold on Shift, we'll make it a little bit down. Again border, cap it. Ctrl A, we'll apply the same chamfer like before. And now there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 of these shelves. So we can do it from I. Like here should be 1. Okay, this is maybe too much. Turn this off. Let's affect the pivot to center to manipulate the object better. Oops. Okay, let's put 1 here. Now we do 3 copies. Yeah, I think this is nicely. Yeah, it's almost like on the picture. Okay, maybe to save time or something, I will copy just this one. Rotate it by 90 degrees. And in the front view, I will start, let's say, here. So I'll make the borders, which are here, the dividing models. And I will just adjust the height by manipulating the words. So it can touch double shape, you don't have to, I don't know, it's really up to you how I say it at the end, how it will be looking. I like it is, so probably I will keep it. Okay, I will move here the second one, and I will move both like this. Now hold on Shift, I'll place here this one, and again adjust. So our model will be probably looking a little bit empty because there will be nothing, no books, no objects, and you can create there very quickly if you have the mood. Just objects like the book is not a problem to do with this distance, it's just a box, chamfer, but the rest it can be. So like you don't have to put there anything, you can, it's up to you. So let's do these shelves here. I think for this I will not create a box. We'll again copy this one. Okay, let's select one. Yep. Hold on, Shift, clone to object. Select that, and I will just move this according to this one here. So it should match more or less. And we can later scale, but let's put it here and like this. Okay, there is that and that. Okay, so hold on Shift. Same like again, I will put this one down. It's the first thing which I will do, and keep the bottom. Okay, now select these edges, connect them. Just once, doesn't matter where. Let's place it here. Now I'll move also these ones. And this I will connect twice. I will just pull them together to make a shape like this. I will select both of these and extrude them back. Now, by extruding back, there can be always problems. Actually, I hope I will not have any. Or better, to save this time, we can try this on the other one, somewhere else, different model. I will select any box. Just pull it back, and I will extrude just these ones here. And I will save myself some headaches of that, because I don't know, always when I extrude inside, it can shape, I screw something, and I don't have the mood to record this again. So this is one option how to do that, and as you can see, very fast. Now, before we do anything, probably it would be good to chamfer that. Now, again, we don't have to chamfer every single edge. What you see here, we can deselect not few, but let's say a lot of them. Chamfer really just the shape, or just the edges which we want. It's fine. Here I don't see anything. Damn. Okay, turn this all X, and again. Okay, this should be, yeah, also at the bottom. I'm just, oops, what's the back? Okay, on the top, yeah. So again, we'll apply the chamfer like before, to have everything the same chamfered. And now we don't have to inset this anymore. We can just extrude. We'll not extrude absolutely. We'll pull it. Yeah, it is already pulled inside. And now to do this one here. Okay. Okay, I will do it different. I will turn off extrude. Copy this. So here. Clone them to object. So I have both shapes at once. So I'm doing this from different objects because it's easier for me. So it was my mobile. So if you recognize the melody, it was from watchable ranks. Now connect it like this. Let's go twice. Okay. Select it like this. Can go 3 times. And I pull this down. Pull this more. Let's go from the front view. And I will just try to shape it to something like this. With the same, I will do it at the bottom. I will not. I will create it just up and then copy. Now I need the shape, so I will go back like this. We don't need the back. Poly so far. Poly. Oops. Well, never. Hopefully, when I was doing it all was right. Deselect that. Could achieve a smooth result just by doing these chamfers. Okay, oops. Again, it's better. Yeah, this is fine. And I will apply here. Okay. Now let's cap that. Select this and this with all this. Oh, better not. I just need to select. Yeah, it's working. Sorry, I just didn't have any fade, this will be working. Okay, loop, and we can chamfer also these edges here. Okay, Alt X, and this one, Alt X back. Here we'll apply again a chamfer, which will suit us. Here we can go a little bit lower, like this. Okay, take the pivot, hold on Shift. Now we need to place it. Well, it should be somewhere here. Let's go to perspective. Select. And from the front view, we'll copy that just by holding Shift. Go to the other side. Shouldn't be absolutely other side. Okay, this I was talking about. I'm trying to do it nicely and fast, and don't just these kind of mistakes. It's not literally a mistake, but I shouldn't do that. Okay, let's turn Alt X off. We'll select everything here, and on everything we'll just apply the smooth modifier, and we are done. Yep. You see? How easy it that? Very easy. Don't worry about this, that it's not perfectly smooth. You can achieve this by, let's say, more attention to that, but well, let's face that, I will render it maximally from this distance with textures. Nobody will see anything. Now, if you really want, it's actually not so bad. It's fine. The light is scattering very bad right now. But maybe one more chamfer or something like that would be better. But it's fine, really. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this is done. That was very fast. And we can create a new layer. Call it Furniture 5. Be the last one. We'll place this object here and hide this one. And probably we can begin.